Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss the installation of the door latch onto the door itself that lines up with our door lock on the jamb. So again, the first thing we want to do is we want to close the door, and we're going to line up the center of our door lock. So once we mark the center of our door lock, then just using a square, we're going to draw a straight line back on the door itself, and we do this on the outside, and then also we're going to do that on the inside of the door. So you can see here we've also marked it on the inside of the door. So once we've done that, we need to drill a hole into the door of 13 mil, and this hole is for the back set of the latch itself. So if I just put this up here, we can see that this hole, this 13 mil hole that we've drilled in the door, is lining up with the back set on the latch itself. And I'm going to explain that in a little bit of why we need to drill this hole. So when we drill this 13 mil hole, we only need to drill into the door approximately 10 mil on the front edge of the door. And then also we need to drill in 10 mil deep on the back side of the door with the 13 mil drill bit. Now, once we've done that, we will find the center of our door itself, and we're going to drill a 24 mil speed bore down into the door, and we're going to go a depth of approximately 80 mil deep for this door latch. Now, once we've drilled that hole, making sure that we've drilled the hole straight within the door as well. So now we can install the latch into the door. Now, keeping in mind we've already routed out the location for the installation of this door latch, so you wouldn't have this area here routed out already. So we would install the door latch, and then we just mark around the door latch with either a pencil or a Stanley knife, and then we need to route it out this area here for the installation of the door latch. Now, once we've done that, we can install the door latch, and if you have a look here, you can see this door latch is finishing flush with the edge of the door. The center of this hole we have drilled at 60 mil from this edge of the door, coming back 60 mil with a 13 mil drill bit. That is the center of this particular hole here. And the reason for that is, if I close the door is closed and it is locked. I can use this spindle that is supplied. We install the spindle. Now we can turn the latch and open the door. So that's for the installation of the door latch on the door.
Yep.
Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss the installation of the escutcheons that go on the door. The escutcheons is to go over the top of the hole that you've drilled in the door for the back set. So once the door has been painted, because you don't want to put these on before the door has been painted, otherwise you'll just have to take them back off. So the installation of these escutcheons is pretty simple. We supply the escutcheons along with a small countersunk screw. There's 2 screws to go into the escutcheon. Essentially, you just line up the escutcheon, the hole in the escutcheon with the hole that you've drilled on the door itself, and then you just screw in the escutcheon with the 2 screws that have been supplied with the escutcheon. And you have an escutcheon that goes on the outside of the door and an escutcheon that goes on the inside of the door. I'll quickly just open up the door to show you the escutcheon on the inside of the door. So that's the escutcheon there. So escutcheon on both sides of the door, just to hide the hole that has been drilled in the door for the back set of the latch. We'll do a quick zoom in to show the position of the escutcheon and where it sits in relation to the hole for the back set. That's it.